Okay, so for this one, the natural, the thing that feels right to say the u is what's underneath the square root. Unfortunately, when we take the derivative of that, we don't have an extra x to replace. See, we want to be able to replace that x with a dx. So, but the x disappears, so we're going to take the derivative of it. So here's the twist. You want to solve this for x. You want to say x equals u plus 2. Move the 2 over to that side. Then what we can do is this. We can say xc, so we can say x is equal to u plus 2. We know dx is the same as du. And we've got that square root of x minus 2. We can write that as u. And then what we can say is, now here's the twist. Can't we break this fraction up into u divided by the square root of u plus 2 over the square root of u? They have the same denominator, right? And then if we think about this as u over u to the 1/2, well, those are the same base. We can subtract the exponents. So this just becomes u to the 1/2 plus 2u to the negative 1/2, right? Because we bring the exponent up. And now that is not bad to find the antiderivative of. That's just some power rule functions. So now we'll just apply the power rule, right? So that becomes 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus 4, right? Let's think about that. So this becomes u to the 1/2, because I'm adding 1. Then divided by 1/2, which is the same as multiplying by 2, and we have that original 2 there, plus a constant. Oh, sorry, 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Sorry. Then plus a constant. I think that's what I wrote for the answer. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot. Now we got to do the back substitution. Okay. So u becomes... right, so because we said u is the square root of was the x minus 2, so 2 over 3 times x minus 2 to the 3/2 plus 4. I don't know why I'm writing this out when I have it written there already, but x minus 2 to the 1/2, then plus a constant. Okay, so what's tricky about this one is doing that. Let's see, what I write that. This is the tricky part of that, knowing that you're gonna say if you have x equals, so if you have say that u equals x minus 2, solving that so you can replace the x with that other substitution, and then you got to do all the exponent work. Okay, hopefully that helps.